Hi, welcome to Teach Me EK channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Gmail account. To create a Gmail account, you need to go to Google Chrome browser on your mobile phone. So once you open Google Chrome browser, on your address bar, type in create Gmail account. So once you type in create Gmail account and click on that, so Google will show the different search results. From the search results that you see here now, select create your Google account. So once you click on create your Google account, it shows you a form where you need to fill in your first name, last name and the username that you wish to have on your Gmail account. So I will just start putting in my fields. So I will put in my first name and then I will put in my last name. So I wish my username to be teachme99. So I will start putting in my password. So I will start putting in my password. So when putting in my password, ensure that your password is either 8 or more than 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So I will re-enter my password just to ensure whatever I would have put in the first time is exactly right or not. So now once I put in my password, Google is suggesting me with a red highlighted field here that the username what I have entered, teachme99, is already taken, and it is suggesting me to try with another one that is showing below. So I will just select that option. So once I select that suggested username, so now you can see that the next button is enabled. Just click on the next button to move ahead. So once I click on next button, Google tries to show me with a phone number which is optional, and another one is a recovery email address. So basically these phone number and the recovery email address are something whenever your created Gmail account gets locked, and either in chances of that you would have forgotten your password in any of the circumstances though. So in those cases, basically these two options helps you to come out of that. So as of now, when creating a Gmail account, these are optional, so you can just ignore them and move ahead. But there is one mandatory field that you need to put in here is your date of birth. I'll just put in my month and my date and my year of birth. So just put in my year of birthday and I'll just put in my gender here. So click on next once you have put in this. So once you have put in those details, so now it's a time for understanding privacy and terms whenever Google account is to be created. So this privacy and terms is basically Google shows you how it uses your details for their analytics. So once you read all these privacy and terms, click on I agree option at the bottom here. So once you click on I agree option, so it takes you to the next page where it shows that your account is created successfully. So this is how your Gmail account is created. That's it for this video. I hope you understood how to create a Gmail account. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.